Can you believe it's June already? And if you're ready to add some summertime excitement to your table, I have an idea. The next time you're at the market, take a few extra minutes to check out all the new items in the dairy aisle. And with June being Dairy Month, there couldn't be a better time to take advantage of all the sales and to get inspired. You see, Dairy Month started in 1937 as National Milk Month. These days, it's a way to celebrate our dairy farmers. Today, there's everything from whole and fat and lactose-free milk to vitamin-enriched varieties. And if you're following a plant-based diet, we can find milk alternatives from oats, soy, and even nuts. One look at today's dairy aisle, and it's easy to see how popular yogurt has become. If you start your day off with a splash of creamer in your coffee, then you'll love all the new flavors. And with the temperature rising, make sure you check out all the options of chilled coffees. And for all of us cheese lovers, there are more options now than ever, whether in block, sliced, shredded, or even string cheese. Now's the time to stock up. You'll find lots of varieties of butter, eggs, and even grab-and-go smoothies that fit today's lifestyle. And beyond dairy, these same cases have everything from OJ to a slew of fancy juice blends and teas that'll satisfy any thirst. So the next time you're at the market, check out all that the dairy aisle has to offer. Maybe pick up a few favorites and create what we call a farm-to-table snack board. If you want some fun tips to help you out, simply visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, and I want to thank all the hardworking dairy farmers and processors who gave us so many ways to say, "Ooh, it's so good."